Hello everyone, welcome to Windows 10 tutorials. In this video we are going to see that what steps you need to follow if your mouse cursor is not behaving properly, like it is continuously blinking or continuously showing you a circle. So that might be because in ideal cases circle is shown when some of the background processes are happening, but in your case if you haven't given any command and still it's showing a circle, that means it is an issue and that we need to fix. So the step to fix it is pretty simple. All you need to do is press Windows R from your keyboard and that should bring up the run menu. In this, just type in the command msconfig, all in smalls, msconfig without any spaces, and click on OK. Once you do that, you will see the system configuration dialog box. Make sure in the first tab, that is the general tab, you are in startup selection, and make sure the normal startup is selected. In your case, make sure you select the normal startup and click on apply. If the apply button is disabled, as in my case, just click on some other thing like diagnostic startup and then re-click on normal startup, then click on apply and click on OK. Once you've done this, then restart your system and that should work like a charm. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.